Hello guys, now I will going to show how to set up Google Analytics tracking ID in your YouTube channel. Here I already log in my YouTube channel, then you can see Google Analytics properties tracking ID is blank. How to create this one and set up I will show. First of all, you go to new tab, then write down google.com/analytics, then enter, then you start to for free. Wait a minute, it's coming here, then click sign up. Need to log in your Google account, then create a new account, then we creating analytic ID for your YouTube channel, then write down YouTube channel, account name, then website name, write down YouTube channel, then website URL, then go to your YouTube channel, then click and copy your channel ID, then here paste. Here show default URL is invalid, then your the HTTPS already have, you delete this one here, then now is okay. Then select your category, your what type of your channel, then select your category, just I am clicking computer and electronics, then reporting time, here I am select Bangladesh, then get tracking ID, then you can see Google Analytics terms of service, then click accept and scroll down same way, then accept. Now you're processing your ID creating, then almost done. Give you notification, no thanks. Then you can see your tracking ID is created. Then copy this one, go to your YouTube channel, then paste, then click save. Wait a second, then you can see your change has been saved. Your work is done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.